The Recipe Room. Hello and welcome to our cooking channel. Today, we're going to show you the best way to cook chicken breast. This recipe is easy, quick, and results in juicy and delicious chicken. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 3 chicken breasts, salt, pepper, 1/2 cup flour, 4 tablespoons butter, 4 garlic cloves, minced, 3 tablespoons honey, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, chopped parsley, optional. Instructions. 1. First, let's prepare the chicken. Score the chicken breasts as shown in the video. This will help the seasoning penetrate the meat and make it more flavorful. 2. Season the chicken with salt and pepper to taste. Make sure to season both sides of the chicken. 3. Coat each breast with flour. This will help create a nice crust on the chicken when we cook it. 4. In a large pan, melt 3 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. 5. Place the floured chicken in the pan and cook over high heat until golden on both sides. 6. When the chicken is golden on both sides, remove it from the pan and set it aside. 7. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and crushed garlic to the pan and cook for 1 minute. Add honey, soy sauce, and apple cider vinegar. 8. Place the chicken back in the pan and bring to a simmer. Simmer for 1-2 minutes until slightly thickened. 9. Turn off the heat and sprinkle with chopped parsley. And that's it. The best way to cook chicken breast. Serve it with your favorite side dishes and enjoy. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.